All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while once again, and there's going to be some update on content coming, state of the collection, some new purchases that I've made, just waiting for them to come in. For example, this is one of them. Obviously, it's a Pagani. I sold my sub Mariner Homage by Pagani, the 1696, I believe it was. Got rid of that, brought this one in. I think this one's pretty cool. I don't have a chrono in the collection, so here we go. Wrist check. Okay, so Helios. And there it is. Alright, like I said, no chrono in the collection. And right off the bat, this one feels good, looks good. Very fast delivery, was ordered during their new year, and it's so far first impressions are really good. So screw down crown, screw down pushers, 41 millimeters, and 11, just shy of 11.5 thin, which is nice. So the auto version, which is not the chrono, has the Seiko, but it's a lot thicker, and I wanted just something slim, wanted a chrono. And yeah, so far so good. This is nice. Got the butterfly clasp with the signed. So everything looks good. Now obviously I'm going to be here a while doing the stickers, but just wanted to show you unboxing and first impressions. And so far looks really good. Last one I tried, the stickers, there's just so many. There's just so many stickers. I know there's other videos that complain about how many. I don't mind them, it's just when you're trying to peel them off, it's really cumbersome, especially over the camera. So fully milled butterfly clasp. Let's see, if these start coming off easily, then I'll probably continue taking them off, but if I hate fumbling over the camera. So what's upcoming in the collection? Stay tuned. The new Zelos is on its way. Just waiting currently for the Helios to drop its pre-orders, and I'm probably going to be getting a new C4th, 4th edition. So that's inbound, or that's going to be coming soon to the collection. And I'm going to do this later, and I'll crop it, and I'll see you guys in a bit.